Hello, hi, and welcome to First Lady Fashion and Style. Thank you for clicking on the channel again today. If this is your first time on this channel, you're so welcome. We have so many interesting videos which you can learn from. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for all your support. Thumbs up for you. So the first thing you do, if this is your first time, is for you to click on that subscribe button. Yes, click on it so that you can see every of the videos will be posted here. So today we'll be learning how to make the front slit of our long skirt. So this is the draft that I'm making. This is a long skirt. If you want to know how I drafted this skirt, there is a video on this channel where you can learn how to draft your simple straight skirt. So this is a simple straight skirt. I just thought to show you how to make your side slit. So the side slit depends on you, the side which you want it. Is it this side or this side? So right now you can see this is my skirt here, and I've added the lining. Now this is the wrong side of the skirt, not the right side. This is the wrong side of the skirt. You can see I joined the lining to it. This is the wrong side. So you will determine where you want for your slit, the side you want for your slit, and then you will fold your fabric, your skirt. This is the front skirt. You will fold it into two this way, and make sure you have the center. Make sure you have the center ironed out. So for this pattern here, what you're going to do is you are going to take your tape rule. So it depends on you. If you want to align it with your darts, just measure from the center to where you have your darts, and whatever value you have, you will bring it down here. You bring it down here, and you will measure from the center to the side. You will measure from the center to the side this way here. So now the length of the opening depends on you again. You can measure how long you want the opening to be, or you ask the person that is wearing it to tell you how long you want it to be. So I want mine to be 19 here. I want the draft here to be 19, but I'm also going to mark 1 inch down. So that means I'm marking the 18 and the 19. I want everything to end at 19, but I'm marking 18 and 19. So I'm going to use my straight ruler. Make sure you use the straight ruler this way. So this is where I am going to cut eventually, but I'm not cutting it right now. You see that I'm not cutting it right now. So now I want to tell you why I marked these two lines. So I'm going to show you this illustration on this paper here. So let's assume this is the line I marked here, the straight line I marked here, and then I marked, this is my 18, and I want my opening to stop at 19. This is 19 and this is 18. So when I want to sew it, you may not see it closely, so I want to show you here. This is what I'm going to do. I will come out by from here, I will come out by ½ inch, and then I will sew this way by the side of the line, the first line, and then on the other side I'm going to sew this way. And then when I get to 18, I will stop, and then on this side here I will make something like an angle this way. I will sew it and it will look like an angle this way. So that is how I am going to sew it. So I just said I should show you on the paper so that it will be clear to you. So what we are going to do now is we are going to go to the sewing machine, and then I will show you how to sew it and then cut it out. So right now I'm going to open it up this way, and then I'm going to start sewing from the bottom all the way up. And while I'm sewing, I'm going to put my hemi gum by the side this way and sew on ½ inch away from this center line. I'm going to put my hemi gum here, and I'm going to sew on the hemi gum this way on both sides. And remember what I told you about this place. When I get here, I'm going to sew like a triangle and then sew it down. So this is what I have after sewing. You can see I sewed the hemi gum on both sides, leaving the space. So the little space you can still see the marking here. So I'm going to use my scissors to open it up. So I just want to show you Do it carefully on the center part where you have your marking. So this is what I have. So since the upper part is still open, I'll just put my hand here and bring it out. Put my hand and bring it out. And then I'll give it a good press. I'll iron it. You can see it. So I'm going to iron it and show you. So this here is the final outcome of the skirt. This is the final outcome of the skirt. This is the side slit opening. This is it. This is it. Look at it. Looking very neatly finished at this point. So let me turn it. This is the back side. So you can see the back side looking neatly finished. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching. We have so many other interesting videos. Please try and check on it. If you have not subscribed, this is the time for you to subscribe so that you can have neat finishings like this. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. See you in the next class.